Hey guys, this is Andre with Quest Humidifiers. In this video, we're going to cover replacing your fan capacitor. When your fan capacitor fails, usually your fan is not going to start up, right? You'll have a dead fan, and your compressor could start up potentially, and that's not really good for the compressor itself. You definitely want your fan running when your compressor is running. We're going to change it out today. Some indications, obviously, if your fan's not running, other indications would be on this. This is an old style fan capacitor. Sometimes what happens is their guts blow out, or you'll see some cracks in here. Good idea to change that out, especially if your fan's not working. And another point I'd like to point out is that we've now upgraded the fan capacitor for the 506 units, especially these older models. We are using, instead of the solid state, we're now using an oil-filled fan capacitor. So we're going to change this out on this 506 here, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a driver, and you need for this to remove the old fan capacitor, you're going to need a T25 torque bit. For now, I would say keep the wires in the old capacitor and push it off to the side. We're also going to need a drill with a 5/16 bit, and we're going to ream out this, make it wider to accept, as you can see here, to accept the new fan capacitor. So obviously it's a little different. We're going to start our new fan capacitor. On the back side, we're going to screw the cap back on. All right, for wiring, fairly simple. You're going to choose a side. One is going to have both of these wires, two of these purple wires. And then this other side is going to receive this single wire here. And there you have it. Pretty simple. That's how you replace the fan capacitor on a 506.